Dozuki is the leading standard work instruction and training software for industrial and manufacturing companies. Whether you're creating procedures, cross-training employees, or focusing on continuous improvement, Dozuki has features designed to give you the controlled, accessible documentation you've been looking for. As industrial environments change, the tools used to create and distribute essential information to frontline employees have failed to keep up. Binders of critical processes aren't built for the constant edits, accessibility needs, and training goals of modern companies. But with Dozuki, you have a purpose-built, scalable system right at your fingertips. Quickly write step-by-step instructions. Upload photos and videos. Convey details with markups. Control future changes. Build training curriculum. Track workforce competency, and so much more. Our software is trusted by hundreds of innovative companies and production environments across the world. Whether you need to train your workforce, reduce quality issues, or prepare for compliance, Dozuki can help. Visit Dozuki.com to learn more.